In 2015, a group of pensioners in their 70s pulled off Britain's biggest burglary ever. The target? London's Diamond District Vault, supposedly unbreakable. These weren't your typical grandparents. They called themselves the Diamond Wheezers. Over Easter weekend, while families celebrated, they got to work. First, they disabled the building's elevator. Then they rappelled down the shaft like action movie stars. For 3 days straight, they drilled through 20-inch thick concrete walls using industrial equipment. 73 safety deposit boxes, 14 million pounds in cash, gold, and diamonds, all gone. The plan was decades in the making. The ringleader, 76-year-old Brian Reeder, had been plotting heists his entire life. But their downfall was surprisingly simple. Police surveillance caught their working-class London accents on phone taps. They couldn't stop bragging about their masterpiece. One by one, they were arrested. Despite their age, most received lengthy prison sentences. Some of the stolen goods were never found. The Diamond Wheezers became legends, Britain's most audacious senior criminals.